Hello, I have not yet decided about today's topic. Let me think. Let's practice some problems on Newton's laws of motion. Hmm. Which software should I choose? Let us open MS Paint. Hmm. Suppose this is a table. Okay? Okay? Now a block is sitting on it. Now there will be a force acting on this block by this table, and there will be a force of gravity acting on it by gravity. Mainly two forces are acting. If this block is not moving, this means both forces are equal. Okay, did you get it? It is in equilibrium. Total force acting on it must be, well, the resultant of those forces must be equal to 0 if its acceleration is 0, because acceleration times its mass equals to force. If acceleration is 0, then force is 0. If force is 0, that means total force is 0. If total force is 0, that means there is no net force is acting on it. If no net force is acting on it, that means this plus this equals to 0. If this is 1 Newton and this is 1 Newton, then the direction will be opposite to each other to cancel it out. Okay? Now, what is what will be, suppose mass of it is 1 kg. If mass is equals to 1 kg, then what will the force acting on it by the gravitation? It will be 1 times 9.81 is equals to 9.81 Newton per meter square. Did you get it? That will be equal to the force by gravity. Suppose it is F1. And F2, or you can say normal force, will be equal to F1. That will be equal to 9.81 Newton per meter square. Okay, friends. Suppose now this there is another force acting on it like this, and this is 2 Newton per meter square. Now there is no other force other than this force is acting on it in this direction. If we see in this direction, there is only and only one force is acting. Oh, sorry, unit of force is Newton. So this is also wrong. Sorry. Now, what will be acceleration of this object in this direction? This will be is equal to ma- force divided by mass equals to this. This will be the acceleration, meter per second square. Did you get it? It is very easy. You just have to understand it. Now suppose there is another block that is placed on it and mass of it is 2 kg. What will happen? It will there is will work a force of gravity on this also, and that will be equal to that will be equal to 2 multiplied by 9.81 Newton in this direction. And normal force on this will be equal to 2 multiplied by 9.81. So if gravity is pulling like this and normal is like this, so it will also exert normal force in this block. So this will be here. Suppose this is like this, and amount is this will also be 2 multiplied by 9.81. You may not be getting my video, but don't worry. After practice and practice, you will get what I am saying. This will be 2.91, 2 multiplied by 9.81, and this is also working. So now the normal will be here. Normal will become, what will it become? It will become 2. I may be wrong because I'm making this video very fast, but you should understand the concept. 2.981 plus this value 9.81. Okay, two forces acting. So normal force on acting by this table on this block will be this value, that is 3 multiplied by 9.81. Let's assume it is N1. So the force acting on this table, it will be acting here, but I am like showing the diagram here. This will be equal to the N1. Okay. Summarize here, there are two blocks and this is a table. Normal is acting, gravity is acting, and normal is acting here, and the force is acting here. This is the type of question asked in Newton's laws of motion in physics. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you don't like, don't worry, but please understand this concept. It is a very important concept, and it will be used throughout the physics because N.L.M is the basics of physics. Goodbye. Take care. Thank you very much.